My plans for this extension of the shop is going to be just for my cars. A 57 Bel Air will go in here, my 68 C10 will go in here, and I might double stack them right here. And then on this side, I'm probably going to have my 47 Dodge over here, that whole section. I'm still not sure how I'm going to lay it out and everything, but it's all going to happen soon. It's coming together. We started this project in late August. No, it couldn't have been late August. Maybe late July, early August. So we're a little over a month in, and this is how we're looking. So I'm getting it done quick. I'm liking that. But we're going to get a company coming in, epoxy this floor, make it real nice. Thinking about having a little man cave section in here, a couple of recliners, maybe a couch, coffee table, and a little refrigerator for my soft drinks. And of course, I don't drink soft drinks. Maybe some Propels for me. So it's kind of what we're looking at. I'm thinking about having my LEDs run on all these purlins here, and then the main truss there. And then maybe run one strip all the way across there, all the way across there, and then all the way across here. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll do my best to make it look cool. This is a light that was just here on my carport area that was existing. And that's going to kind of be the backup light. If I don't need to do anything in here, hardly, I'm just going to turn that light on instead of turning all the other lights on and blinding myself. But we do have some light coming in there. Same thing on that. 2 rows of windows on the garage doors. They're 10 by 12, 10 wide, 12 high. We got jack shaft operators on them. So there's no operator extending out here. So far I'm pleased with most everything. The garage doors, we've had a lot of issues to begin with on those. I'll probably do a separate video on those later. You'll notice there's a little air, you see light through over here a little bit, but that's because this concrete's not level, but we're going to level the concrete out at the door so that that door sets flat instead of having just a big old extra gasket. That's about it. I got a lot of cleaning up to do once I finish this project. I got junk out here everywhere. This carport was my storage area for everything, including my dog pen was right here. And then there was an extension of the dog pen out here. So the dogs stay in every night. And that's kind of where we're at right now. See ya.